Welcome to the Employee Module training. In this session, you'll learn how to add employee details and assign access rights. Let's begin with access right groups. From the drop-down menu, you can view all existing access role groups. To create a new one, click on Create New Role. Enter the name of the role in the box provided. Below, you'll see several checkboxes that allow you to control access permissions. You can grant full access by checking the Check All option, or assign access by specific sections, such as company information or employee information. Within each section, you can also uncheck boxes to remove access to certain screens. Once done, click Save. Now, let's move on to adding an employee. Click on the Employee button, then select Add. The Employee Information screen will appear. Enter the required details such as title, full name, and address. Next, create a user code and passcode. Both must be numeric values. For the swipe ID, use the staff card to assign it to the employee. Then, select the employee type, input their salary, and choose the appropriate access group role for this user. Once all information is complete, click Save. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add new employees and manage their access rights within the system.
Seamless integrations that save you time and money, connecting with your sales, accounting, and delivery apps. We provide stunning websites and e-commerce solutions tailored for your business. We supply top brand POS accessories, reliable, high-quality hardware your business can trust.